everyone, welcome back to another video of iPhone Bloke, where we help quality people to pick up quality product. Right. So in today's video, I have this video upright and kind of get going for all the new YouTubers on the YouTube platform. And I am making this video with three wonderful tips which I thought I should share. And this is in context to how to be more in trending limelight when it comes to trending your videos on YouTube. That's number one. Second, what you should write in about section, because people, those who come and subscribe you, once in a blue moon, they're all gonna come and check your about section. So that's very, very important. And second, which I think I've just jotted down and I'll just let you know, is what is the exact time or the best time to launch your videos. So these are three wonderful things I really want to talk about in today's section. So let's get started. Point number one: when to launch your videos. So when I started my career on YouTube, let's say almost 3 months ago, I really had no clue about when to launch my videos, what time I should be presenting it, and whenever I've launched my videos, I hardly had, let's say, 10 views or 15 views or 25 views. And I was like, why? Why is that happening? Am I not doing the content right? Or am I not going with great knowledge? Or do I really need to present my content in a much better way? I had lots of doubts. But then when I really, sat down and started analyzing my overall trend with the help of, YouTube Studio option, I came to know a thing called when exactly my viewers are alive and kicking. Now, this is a specific tool in YouTube section, especially YouTube Studio, wherein it tells you what is the exact time where most of your subscribers are acting kicking on live, and that particular time zone, which I came to know, I kept in mind and I started publishing videos, because you really need to understand I'm not making content just for let's say a domestic market. I'm also producing my content for people, those who live abroad. Let's say in Asia, I've got people in America, in UK, and they all follow me. So I got to be very, very cute and smart when it comes to their specific timeline. So when this thing got noticed, when I noticed it, I started creating content, especially producing at a time when my audience was highly active. Now you may ask why and what is the reason. So whenever you launch your content, when your audience is super active, what it does, they all start watching it. And once your videos, let's say, gets watched completely 1 to, let's say, 25 times without having a break in between, it will come in the trending option. And once a video goes in trending option, there are more chances of you becoming viral with your video, which is a wish of any new YouTuber on YouTube platform. So just keep in mind, launch your videos when you know your audience are kicking in alive. That's very, very important information. Number two, okay, how to get your video in the trending zone. So let's face the fact, and I'm not going to lie to you all, because I'm making a video. I'm still a very young YouTuber on YouTube. But then all these things, what I'm sharing with one and all, either I have learned by following some of my idols on YouTube, or it's my analysis over a span of 3.5 months. So my second point, which is of great importance, and mind you all, this is not my analysis, so I would not take credit for this particular point. This is something which I've learned from one of the YouTubers on YouTube, which who produces content primarily in regional language. So, hats off to him, because I have learned from him. So I would not take this point credit, because I know one has to be fair on YouTube when it comes to giving knowledge. And I don't want to take someone else's knowledge by just presenting in English language. So this is one of those YouTubers guidelines which I followed, and I thought, why not replicate the same and help with all of us, the young YouTube family, those who are from 0 to 500 subscribers. So the point what I've learned from him is, if you happen to have, let's say, 15, 20 people in your family, or let's say if you happen to have a close knit group of 10 people in your friend circle who are really good friend of yours, whenever you launch a video, just request them to watch your video from A to Z within that 1 hour of time completely. Now, when someone does that from A to Z, when I say A to Z, I mean to say the exact video. Let's say your video has got a time schedule of 10 minutes. If that is being watched from A to Z, approx altogether 10 minutes, it is bound to come in the trending order. And once your anybody's video come in the trending section, YouTube starts promoting it to new users more often than not. That is a great technique to promote your video by paying $0 on YouTube platform. Again, sorry, this is not my idea. I've learned from somebody else, and this is one of those original YouTubers idea which I implemented, and I said, why not share this wonderful knowledge with all of you, my audience, because we are here on YouTube not just to make money. I mean, money is a top-notch priority along with name and fame. The other important aspect which we all keep in mind, and we should keep in mind, is promoting knowledge. Am I helping you people, or are you helping me? I think for me that's a biggest achievement. If I'm able to make a difference in your YouTube content, that is a win-win situation for me compared to getting a check from YouTube or XYZ or blah blah blah. So this is my dedication to the YouTuber who gave me this beautiful idea, and I thought of sharing with one and all. That was not my idea, mind you all, but then it works a lot. Right, third point, which is absolutely my idea. Okay, so it talks about letting your viewers know about yourself. So we have previously talked in some of my videos, introduction, marketing, Instagram, Orkut, which is no more in existence these days, I should say, Tumblr, blah, blah, blah. That's old technique. Let's talk about something new. Whenever a subscriber clicks you as one of your, favorite, one of his favorite, YouTuber, if he makes you his favorite or her favorite YouTuber, then they are bound to go and check your about section. Now, about section primarily talks about who you are, what do you do, why did you start this channel, and what is the agenda all about. Trust me guys, I've got a lot of my subscribers, those who have subscribed me from all over the world, okay? I'm not boasting this, I'm very humble that you all did. But then when I go back and check their about section, I really get no information. So if you see and check my about section, which I would request to one and all go and click and check it, I have mentioned why do I make videos on XUV, SUV, iPhones and technology gadgets. I've completely explained about who I am and what do I do and what is my basic purpose of making a video on SUV, iPhones and technology. So let us not just write nothing in the about section. Please tell your audience who you are. Right? People, the human psychologist says people are only going to be trusting you, believing you when you show them, when you present yourself, in a more efficient manner. So let us not keep your about section completely blank. It shows that you are immature, you're not somebody who has enough knowledge, you do not care about yourself. And I'm sure that is not the case with all of us. So in case if you want to promote your channel, be in trending videos and be a top-notch and again a consistent YouTube content creator, I would highly recommend all of you to follow these 3 wonderful tips, out of which 2 are properly mine and the one which I have learned from one of those regional YouTube content creators. So hats off to him for that as well. Well, with this note, I really want to say thank you to one and all for watching, and if you're able to implement and if you get a lot of good results by doing all these things, then I would love to have a comment from you or a thumbs up, or if you really like it a lot, if it really works well for you, do give me subscription, and I would surely appreciate it. Till next time, you take a very good care of yourself, and thanks for watching.